Today I will do a $1 challenge with Williams R and Stochastic Oscillator strategy. So I start with $1 and risk everything on every trade. Watch the video till the end to see how far I get. I used this strategy before, so feel free to check the original video. But let's do a super quick refresher on how it works. We wait until the Williams R crosses above the green line after a longer period. If the blue line of Stochastic is above the orange, our strategy anticipates price will rise. So we place a buy. And if Williams R crosses below the red line, and blue line of Stochastic is below the orange, strategy anticipates price will fall. So we place a sell. Let's set up the environment. Set the time frame to 30 seconds. Set trade duration to 1 minute with free expiration mode. Among indicators, select Williams R and Stochastic Oscillator. Open settings for Williams R and set the period to 7. For Stochastic Oscillator, set the K period to 7, D period to 4, leave the smoothing at 3, and choose exponential for the type of moving average. Choose instruments with high payout. Everything is set up, so let's start looking for trading entries. Here a setup might form. Williams crossed below its red line, blue Stochastic is below the orange. I consider to place a sell. Let's wait for the candle to finish so it confirms the setup. Cross confirmed, I'm placing the sell. Normally I would look for better signals, as there is no clear trend here. But since it is a $1 challenge, I risk only $1. I can easily accept more risky signals. I believe such a $1 challenge is a great way to approach trading for beginners lacking to understand market analysis yet. As the invested capital is low, therefore stress is minimal. And most importantly, you can do a lot of trades, practice and learn a lot while having a great chance to earn a lot of money. If you are interested in trading on this platform, follow the registration link in the video description below. Have you ever done $1 challenge? Which strategy worked for you? Share your success story in the comment section to motivate others. Consider joining my newly started Telegram channel. No spam, no clutter. Link is in the video description and channel bio. Our first trade won. I set the trading amount to $1.92 and look for next setup. Williams is about to cross down again. Blue Stochastic is below orange. Let's wait for the current candle to finish before placing the trade. So the closing of the candle confirms the signal. Any candle can change direction before closing, and a cross might not happen. Cross is confirmed, I'm placing the sell. Don't forget that no strategy is perfect. I'll have better and worse periods. Since I treat $1 challenge as a more casual, faster way of trading, I follow the strategy solely, not doing market analysis. So it is not guaranteed to have a long winning streak. But the beauty of it is only $1 is risked technically throughout the whole session. If we lose, we start again from $1. It's possible that multiple trials needed to reach a significant amount. While waiting for this trade to finish, there is just enough time to press the like button and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to select all notifications. It's just a few clicks for you, but helps my channel a lot. Thank you very much. Trade 1. Look for next. Williams is crossing up. Blue Stochastic above orange. I'm placing a buy. Always wait for trigger candles to finish before placing your trade. The candle can change direction in the middle, and your setup might not form in the end. If you are interested in prepared setups with proper market analysis examples, check my original video about this strategy. Link to it is placed in the video description. If this strategy is not for you, you can try $1 challenges with different ones. Feel free to check my other videos where different strategies are explained in detail. I get a lot of comments from viewers how well my strategies work for them. Keep up the good work. Tell me in the comments which strategies you like the best. But remember, no strategies are perfect. All has its ups and downs. Market analysis is the key to success. Hopping from strategy to another all the time creates a common mistake beginners tend to fall in. Trade 1. Look for next. Williams is about to cross up again, blue stochastic above orange. I'm placing a buy. If you are interested in trading on this platform, find the link in the video description below. You can trade on different platforms too, but please do your own research, which other ones are also reliable. Most platforms including Pocket Option has a demo mode to trade with virtual money, where you can practice completely without risk. Though doing a $1 challenge on a demo balance does not make much sense in my opinion. Remember, we are trading binary options here. If you are new to it, check my tutorial video for beginners which explains in detail what a binary option is and how it works. It is a modern and easy to approach way of trading, but still you need to understand what you are doing. You assume all risks when using a service of any trading platform. Whether it's a cryptocurrency exchange, a forex broker, an investment platform of a traditional bank or institute where you invest your earnings in stocks, bonds or funds on the long term. It is true for any trading platform including binary option platforms. Trade 1. Look for next setup. Williams crossing down. Blue stochastic crossing below orange at the same time. I place the buy. It is moving up a bit, but there is plenty of time to change direction. Remember, when trading binary options, the only thing that matters is if the price at the end of the predefined interval is higher or lower than at the beginning. It might be stressful to watch trades going in the opposite direction when risking large amounts. But in a $1 challenge, keep in mind that technically only $1 is at risk. Of course, at the later stages, the potential winning is considered. End the challenge when you are satisfied, or leave a portion of your capital for further challenges. Hope you enjoy this session as much as I do. If you do, please hit the like button and consider subscribing and dropping a comment below. This trade 1 to look for next. Our strategy has a clear bearish signal, though this is a risky setup if you look at the chart carefully, and I will explain in a moment why I think that. But it's a $1 challenge, so I'm placing the sell. So the explanation. Market was in a downtrend. Then it had an attempt to reverse the trend, but seems to fail. Although the upward push was strong if you consider the duration of the previous downtrend. Last two candles form a bearish engulfing pattern, so it's likely the price will go down, but not necessarily confidently. Let's see what happens. Please tell me in the comments if you prefer these challenges or regular videos with deeper setup analysis. I like both, and both has its pros and cons. Trade 1. It was indeed risky, but as you are aware, size of the move does not matter, just the direction. Look for next. It's not late to enter, since it's a $1 challenge, so I place the buy here. In a normal session I would skip such a signal, as the market became flat. But in a $1 challenge we can take the risk. While waiting for this trade to finish, there is just enough time to press the like button and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to select all notifications. It's just a few clicks for you, but helps my channel a lot. Thank you very much. Trade 1, and we almost made to $100. But I'm not stopping here. Another risky bearish signal. Hard to tell before being tested if the prior level of resistance becomes support or not. But as you guessed it, I placed the sell because it is a challenge. I have read some comments people saying trading is a scam. It's not a scam, it's a profession and it needs to be treated like that. Don't expect to become immediately profitable. Success needs long-time dedication to learn and practice. $1 challenge is a relaxed, casual way of practicing, and having the chance to win a lot is a nice addition. Some also claim the broker is manipulating the charts. Let traders win on demo but lose on real account. Some fraudulent platforms might do that, but it easily can be checked with a friend by looking at the same charts from 2 different devices. Further testing could be to place the same trades with the anticipation of opposite direction. Pocket Option is a trustworthy and long-running platform, and they are certainly playing fair. But if you don't believe it, test for yourself. Trade 1. Prior resistance failed to become support, so market probably follows downtrend. But stick to the strategy and look for next setup. This is a late entry in a better to avoid wobbly market. I placed the buy based on the clear bullish signal. The trigger candle closed exactly at the top of a resistance level. Normally I would skip this, but as you heard and will hear 100 times in this session, it's a $1 challenge. I'm risking only $1. Trade 1. It starts to become interesting, but go on. Set the new amount and look for our next setup. Hope you enjoy this session as much as I do. Another late entry. Williams crossed up convincingly. Blue Stochastic is above orange, so I placed the buy. Normally I would avoid this wobbly sideways market. It's harder to predict moves. But in a $1 challenge, we can safely take this risk and play such setups. Actually, if we look carefully, we can see some prior resistance levels where it's possible price will reverse. And there are some support levels too. It is clear there are too many levels to consider thanks to the sideways behavior. So it becomes hard to tell which levels are already cleared. Especially when trading binary options, which is a fast-paced style trading. And there is limited time to analyze. Also, many different levels being close to each other decreases their relevance. Considering these all together, you might understand better why to avoid these conditions in a normal trading session. Look at this huge candle. I am starting to get a good feeling about this trade. Trade 1. If the next trade wins, we will reach $1,000. Look for next setup. Clear bearish signal from the strategy. I'm placing the sell. While waiting for this trade to finish, there is just enough time to press the like button and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to select all notifications. It's just a few clicks for you, but helps my channel a lot. Thank you very much. Trade 1, and we've reached $1,000. I leave $6, so if I fail I can do 6 more challenges. This new bearish signal came fast. There is no time to perform proper market analysis, so in a normal session it's better to skip it in such situation. But I placed the sell since it's still a $1 challenge. And I forgot to check the payout. Now I notice it dropped to 89%. It's not bad at all, but the higher is the better. Don't forget to check and reshuffle watch list regularly to maximize profits as payouts change over time. For people joining late, if you are interested in trading on this platform, find the registration link in the video description below. Trade 1. I will risk $2,400 for the next trade, so more than 60 further challenges can be done in case of failure. Here an interesting setup is about to form. Williams is about to cross up, blue stochastic is above orange. Clear bullish signal. But market started a downtrend. I see no extra confirmation of a reverse to happen. Though a weak signal is not necessarily a bad one. If it were, an opposite trade could be placed by confidence. But trading is a game of probabilities. I'm placing the buy. As the account balance and the length of the winning streak grows, it is easy to think it will never end. But do not forget we are doing many trades. Trading for longer, there is a higher chance of a mistake. Do not become greedy. Set a clear goal, and if you reach it, stop. Or if you can't reach it, you feel stressed or exhausted, feel free to terminate the session. The market is always there full of opportunities. And I'm noticing some payouts have dropped significantly, so after this trade I will definitely reselect instruments for my watch list. Trade 1. Look for next. Another market without clear trend. Though I take this bullish signal here. As done before, I suggest to leave a portion of your capital when you are late in such a challenge, so you can start new challenges in case of loss. I love to read your comments and try to answer them all. And I'll try my best to fulfill all video requests. Though please understand I am still a single person behind this channel, so my time and resources are limited. Thank you very much for your understanding. Trade 1. I'm trading for more than an hour, so I will risk 6,000 now. This way I can go home with roughly 3,000 in case of loss. Williams is about to cross up again. Blue stochastic is above orange. Clear bullish signal of our strategy. No clear trend in the market. Not a great setup, but I technically risked only $1 throughout the session, so I take the chance. If you would like to see better prepared trades with detailed market analysis examples, check my original video about this strategy. Link will be placed as a card at the top of the video and in the video description. I'm placing the buy. Thank you very much for still being here. Most people are watching the first 40% of the videos. It's completely normal. No content is perfect. Mine is far from it either. Also, trading is not for everyone. But I believe in you. That's what keeps me motivated doing what I do. I just wanted to say a special thanks to my most ambitious watchers. Thank you for being part of the binary trader community. That's great. Our last trade won. Hope you enjoyed this session as much as I did. If you did, please press the like button and consider subscribing to my channel so you won't miss upcoming content. Check my other videos for different strategies or $1 challenges. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Remember that trading carries high risk, so always trade responsibly. Read the full risk disclaimer in the video description. Thank you very much for being here till the end. See you next time.